Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find the OBD2 port and how to read and delete failure codes on a BMW E46. This is the fourth generation of the BMW 3 series. Oh yeah, driver's side. There are the clutch pedal, and on the left side is the OBD2 slot. Here you can enter your dongle. For example, this is a Bluetooth dongle. You can also have a wired dongle too, no problem. Then it's important to switch on the ignition to get the energy flow. Then let's go to our OBD2 scanner. This is a semi-professional scanner. We can have a deep scan with this device. If you only have a wired small scanner, you have not so much information, but it's enough. First step in this case, we have to get in the VIN, the Vehicle Identification Number. This can be automatically detected by this scanner. If not, we have to enter it. Then switch to diagnostic mode and automatic scan of all components. If the device finds some failure codes, you can read them and have information about this failure code. So, this failure code calls that there are some problems with the PDC, Park Distance Control, and on the back left side. Now replace it, job's done. Now we can remove all failure codes by fast delete the failure codes. Then the scanner will delete all failure codes which are in the system. If you fix the problem, then the failure codes will not come back. But if you do not fix the problem, of course the failure code will come back. But you can see how to delete them and how to read them. This is awesome, isn't it? So, after you finish your work, you delete the failure codes, your car is ready to go back on the street again. Before you remove the dongle, go to Escape, go to Main Menu. This is important because of the computer system in the backside. And then remove the dongle. This is important too, because the dongle is with this car away and you do not have more. Oh no. So let's delete the failure codes, job's done. Let's remove the dongle and have fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.